Welcome to the second part in the series, SAP Activate Project Manager Certification. This video would be covering the understanding of the SAP Activate Elements, contents, tools and methodology. We will look into the 4 available types of content as well as cover the 4 tools: self-service configuration, expert configuration, SAP Solution Builder, and SAP Solution Manager. We will also discuss the 4 different components of the methodology. Let's dive right in. There are 4 important components representing the content element of the SAP Activate methodology. They are business process content, project library, migration content and integration content. A business process is a set of specific tasks or activities performed in a given order that provides the desired outcome. The 3 components of the business process are SAP Best Practices, Ready-to-Run System and User Interface. SAP Best Practices should be the starting point for any SAP implementations, irrespective of the platform, as it supports the implementation team by providing well-structured content, and is recommended by SAP to document your solution and business processes. When you access the SAP Best Practices library, you would find, in addition to the general information descriptions, business benefits, key process flows, details of predefined processes as well as configuration guides and test scripts. The SAP S/4HANA Ready-to-Run system enables you to configure the system using various tools. Solution configuration is a function of the Ready-to-Run S/4HANA system. This system contains the specific objects needed for the configuration and execution of the given process. For the on-premise deployment, customers can decide between either the fully activated appliance or SAP model company. The third component of SAP business process content is the user interface by which users can access the configured system. SAP provides several content provisioning tools that can access ready-to-use apps based on SAP Fiori and SAP Screen Personas. The project library hosted on the Roadmap Viewer, which is a cloud extension of SAP Solution Manager and an integral part of the SAP Activate methodology, provides a rich and varied set of documents. These documents include project plan templates, accelerators, templates, standards, strategies, decision-making processes, and several other artifacts to help in the overall execution of the project management workstream and the underlying processes. The structure of data migration for the migration content is available in multiple places: Data Migration Templates, SAP Software Download Center and SAP Best Practices Explorer. SAP provides a wide variety of tools and ready integration packages so that customers can integrate cloud solutions, on-premise solutions, and any third-party solutions. You'll find the integration solution and scope items on integration in SAP Best Practices, whereas SAP API Business Hub provides ready-to-use integration application programming interfaces, source code, and best practices. SAP has made available several tools to configure SAP S/4HANA and SAP S/4HANA Cloud. Some of the tools include self-service configuration, expert configuration, SAP Solution Builder tool and SAP Solution Manager. The self-service configuration user interface is a cloud-based tool that facilitates the required configuration to run the business processes and conduct the fit-to-standard workshops. The expert configuration tool, used for SAP S/4HANA Cloud, enables consultants to not only make changes to the standard available configurations of existing business processes and SAP best practices, but also to build business processes that are specific to a company's business needs. The SAP Solution Builder tool enables the logical and sequential import and implementation of business-relevant SAP best practices provided for SAP Activate for SAP S/4HANA. SAP Solution Manager, which supports the SAP Activate implementation approach, can be used as a project management tool. It consists of templates, checklists, and testing tools required during SAP S/4HANA implementation. SAP Solution Manager consolidates all the project management activities and process modeling into a single system. From the exam perspective and from the real-world work perspective, SAP Solution Manager is one of the most critical tools for success. The 4 components of SAP Activate methodology as mentioned in previous video are phases, workstreams, deliverables and tasks and artifacts. The 6 phases of the SAP Activate methodology are discover, prepare, explore, realize, deploy, and run. Out of these 6, prepare, explore, realize, and deploy are the core phases, which are also known as project phases. The purpose is to break the project activities into logical group of goal-oriented activities leading to a milestone and quality gate. The project moves to the next phase after clearing the quality gate and achieving the milestone. There are 11 work streams. These work streams are also logical groups of activities, which transcend project phases. However, there are no quality gates between the work streams. Tasks are the activities to achieve the milestones and create several deliverables. Certain inputs are required in the form of documents or information to produce the outputs. Artifacts are these inputs. We have come to the end of SAP Activate Elements. In this video we covered the 3 elements of the SAP Activate methodology: content, tools, and methodology. We also mentioned the solution documentation and solution configuration aspects of the content. We reviewed the project library and touched upon the migration and integration content and discussed the usages of the 4 tools: SSCUI, Expert Configuration, the SAP Solution Builder tool, and SAP Solution Manager. Finally, we quickly revisited the 4 components of the SAP Activate methodology. In the next video, we would delve into understanding the Agile framework. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about the video and what would like to see or questions you would like answered. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Also, please remember to turn on notifications so you can know when the next video drops.